Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today is Sunday. It's around, I want to say either 6 or 7. It's 7 o'clock right now, but yeah. This morning, oh my gosh, we stayed up so late last night watching The Office. We were up until like 3 in the morning, I think almost 4. Then we finally went to bed, so we woke up around like 9 o'clock, got ready, went to church, and I really wanted some bubble tea. I've been craving for bubble tea like for like ever. I know how to make it, but I just don't have all the ingredients to make it, so I just went and bought it. I picked up some things from Marshall, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I didn't get a lot of things, probably just like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 items. So I've always wanted one, and it just took me a while to find the perfect one, and I bought it because I wanted it to go in my bathroom area. And I like how it's like a marble vase. And my bathroom area, because this is going to go on top of the toilet seat area, it's not that big, so I don't want to put too much stuff in there because I don't want to clutter it. So yeah, I just got this right here, and if I decide not to put this in the bathroom, then I'll just put it somewhere in the kitchen. But I love how it just has like this nice frosted greenery leafy type of thingy, and this is like $6.99. I always wanted to get myself some straws because every time I get like a bubble tea or any type of like, you know, nice pretty looking straw, I always end up keeping it just so that if I wanted to drink my drinks with a straw, I have one. So instead of collecting those plastic ones, I have these metal ones where I can reuse, wash them. They come with like a little cleaning thingy, what you call a sponge, not a sponge, but yeah, it just comes with like a little cleaning brush, so you can actually clean the whole entire straw to make sure it's clean. And I love how it has like a little holder right here too, and I love how they kind of curve. So yeah, it's just these little things that just makes you so happy. Like, I don't know, I get excited over stuff like this. And this is $4.99 for 8 of them. I needed one of these so bad because if you guys have ever made steamed rice rolls, or as Hmong people call it, phở cầu, I think this is like a 12-inch pan. If I can remember, it's similar to the one that my mom has, but I can't remember. But the one she has is like really good. So I finally got myself one. I'm so excited. It's just gonna make it so much easier for me to make it. And the last thing I got from Marshall's was actually kitchen towels. My first kitchen towels were the Christmas ones that I bought with the green and the gold Christmas tree on it. They're really cute. I still have them on my oven rack thingy. But yeah, I just wanted some new ones, and these are really cute. I love how they have like that plaid design, and the color is just kind of like that denim blue type of color, I guess. And the quality feels really nice. It feels really thick. So today we're running a lot of errands, so I really wanted to get some coffee. And this is the caramel frap from Wake Up Call. Oh honey, it's spilling on me. Shit. We're heading to Northwest Seed and Pet. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna get in because our fish needs a heater. He doesn't have a heater, and there's a lot of cars blocking the entrance, so we're just in the middle waiting to turn.
The Eastern Washington traffic is ridiculous.
to film a video speaking in just my native language, and if you guys don't know, I am Hmong, and my dialect is white, but my husband is green, so sometimes we always make fun of each other and the way we talk, because I'll say one thing and he'll say like something else, and it's just funny. Like, you guys know what I mean if your dialect is white and you know your significant other is the other dialect. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I failed with my makeup today, so yeah, it's just whatever. And I've just been doing a lot of cleaning. I vacuumed, I cleaned the bathtub, the bathroom. I just got home from work and I really wanted to show you guys how much snow we have, because for the past few days it's been snowing so much. I need to close my door. Look at all the snow that has accumulated over last weekend and yesterday and today.
That's what you meant, your story. I was like, what are you talking about? Oh yeah.
We'll let you show eye.
We're pretty artists. We'll
let you show eye.
Let me taste it. Oh, mine is so good, you guys.
Come on.
Oh, yours is better than mine. Mine's like, sure, like yours is rock bottom diet. Yeah. Why don't we add like any lime? Oh, they did. Not bad. It's like,
it's alright. I think usually I get my drinks on rocks, but not really.
This is like a lemonade. Yeah, it's kind of like a lemonade, but it has lemon in it. Yeah. But all it tastes is the alcohol is like blue water. Yeah. That's why they're saying it's okay as long as it's
usually good drinks good all rocks, huh? 不是说好色是。Yeah. Hi guys, so today is Friday. I don't even know how this vlog is going to be, just because some days I feel like filming and some days I just don't. But it's Friday, and tomorrow I'm gonna be going to a donut shop that just recently opened not too long ago. It's really cute. They serve like little mini donuts, and I was on my Instagram yesterday, and as I was scrolling through my Instagram, I saw that they had made some donuts based off of a TV show, and you guys will have no idea which TV show won, and that is The Office. If you guys don't know, my husband and I binge watched that show the whole entire month of around like January to February, and we literally finished that show within like a month or so, and it had like 9 seasons. So that just shows you guys how dedicated we were to the show, and we absolutely love it. So they made some donuts according to the characters in the show. So I'm gonna go and get some tomorrow. It's so funny because the company, the paper company, is called Dunder Mifflin. So they had like a little post that said Donut Mifflin. So I thought it was really cute. So I have to go and get my donuts tomorrow. Sunday's the last day, so we're busy Sunday, so I want to go tomorrow.